So, I cut away the leather corners and I was just sort of prying away underneath so that I could get the new leather sort of underneath the old when I mend the corners themselves. And I had a bit of a surprise happen. So, see that hole right there? So, what happened was I was sort of levering away under here and this appeared, silk. And I sort of pulled it and it just came out like this with this sort of stub at the end here. And it left a hole. And sure enough, there's one here, one here, and one here. So, in other words, if I go underneath here now, I should do this side. If I go underneath here, I'm going to find another piece of silk staring at me. Let's see if I can demonstrate here. There it is, right there. There. And now we have a hole here. So, this book originally had beautiful silk ties. Like so, there'd have been these pieces of silk that would be knitted together as a bow. Well, here's the good news. I've got a surprise back from other restorations. So this book is going to regain its silk.